There are a few things that need to be considered before setting the Vak Pak system. These issues may seem of minimal importance now, but they might save costly repairs in the future. Confirm soil conditions with the project engineer or architect. A high water table or poor drainage condition may require additional tools for dewatering excavations during installation and anchoring provisions to prevent hydrostatic uplift on the Vak Pak system. Before digging, always check with local utility authorities on the location of below-grade piping and electrical lines. Damage to these lines may create unexpected delays and expense. Excavate to the proper dimensions as per the Vak Pak installation instructions. Follow the Vak Pak lifting and setting procedures guide to safely lift and lower the Vak Pak into the hole. Never allow a worker to stand under the unit as it is moved or lowered into the hole. Straps can break or slide and machinery can fail. Don't tempt fate. Once the pack is safely standing on the support boards in the bottom of the hole, it needs to be leveled. Use a 2-foot to 4-foot level to level the cabinet by placing it on the bottom 2-inch fiberglass lip of the cabinet. Check that the static water level sticker on the Vak Pak cabinet or on the side of the tank to confirm proper elevation. If the tank is not set at the proper elevation, you may have water that overflows or draws down too far when the pump is turned on. This is not a problem that can be easily remedied after the piping connections are made. Locate all the pipe couplings and be sure you understand what connection is made to each. Don't make the mistake of plumbing the to-heater and from-heater lines backwards, for example. The most important part of the plumbing system is the gravity main and gutter, or skimmer lines. These pipelines must be plumbed without airlocks or high points. See instructions for plumbing collector tanks. When connecting the 2-inch static equalizer line between the pool wall and the tank, follow the guidelines for the main drain line. See the Vak Pak operation manual under the RWLC sheet for a diagram of the proper way to install this line. Once all plumbing lines have been connected and pressure tested according to building department guidelines, the freshwater supply line needs to be connected to the automatic water fill device. On the bottom of the external breaker panel is a PVC conduit coupling. This is where the site electrician will make the power connection to the system. All electrical components inside the Vak Pak unit have been pre-wired and tested at the factory. Make sure all breakers are in the off position before power connection is made. Backfill the excavated area around the tank following the guidelines in the Vak Pak manual regarding backfill procedures. You should be ready to fill the tank and pool with water. Follow the guidelines in the Vak Pak manual for flushing the main and perimeter overflow lines. Now the system is ready for normal filter operation. Follow the guidelines in the Vak Pak manual for backwashing and pre-coating. If you have any questions or concerns about your system that are not covered in this tutorial or your manual, call 800-877-1824 and speak with a service technician.